Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and network so latency and controls are solid. Connect a compatible Bluetooth or USB controller first, because input mapping comes next. Once paired, switch your phone to a high-performance power mode and lock orientation to avoid interruptions. Make sure you're on a 5 GHz Wi-Fi or use an Ethernet adapter to cut lag. Close background apps and clear RAM so the system dedicates resources to rendering frames smoothly. This reduces stutter when streaming or running emulation. Now you install and configure the software that turns your phone into a console. Choose a well-maintained emulator or a streaming client, then grant storage and controller permissions so saves and inputs work. Map controller buttons carefully, testing in a short run to confirm responsiveness. Remap dead zones if needed. Adjust video to your phone's native resolution or drop to 720p to keep FPS steady. And enable frame limit and multi-threaded audio where available to prevent audio cracks and render lag. Finish by running a full test playthrough so you confirm controls, audio sync, and save behavior under real load. If you notice stutter or audio drift, reduce resolution, disable post-processing shaders, or switch to wired Ethernet. These changes lower CPU/GPU strain and network jitter. Make sure save states and cloud backups are working before committing long sessions. Finally, lock screen timeout and enable any auto-suspend protection so incoming calls or notifications won't interrupt gameplay. This preserves progress and keeps the experience console-like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.